As you could tell from the intro, we got a fresh coat of snow last night, which means two things. Well, favorite flannel shirt, and time to break this out. I'm going to make a soup. I was surprised I hadn't made this before because it's one of my favorite soups. Let's make some split pea soup. Very simple to make. Let's get this started with a little bit of olive oil, and we'll sweat off these onions and some garlic. Start off with a little bit of olive oil. I've got one onion, just a rough dice. I've got 4 cloves of garlic. I want to give those a little bit of a smash. And just to get things going, we'll throw in a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay, so we're getting a little color on the onions. Let's deglaze the pan with a little bit of white wine. And we'll reduce that down. And while we're at it, we'll add in the first of 2 herbs I'm going to throw in. 1 bay leaf. And we might as well throw in the main flavorant, a ham hock. If you wanted to, you could use a smoked turkey leg for this. Just something, you know, that's got a little bit of smokiness to it. And a lot of flavor. Okay, the wine is nearly cooked all the way off. You can hear it boiling a lot louder right now. So I'm going to turn this down just a little bit, and we're going to get the rest of our ingredients in here. Sorry I had some technical difficulties at the end of the last segment. What I did is I added 3 pounds of peas and about 3 quarts of chicken stock to cover. So this stuff is ready right now. Just let this simmer for about, I'd say it was about an hour or so. First thing you got to do is get this out of here, the ham hock and the bay leaf. They're a little, not quite ready to be eaten. And it's time to puree. Now you can use a potato masher, or a good old-fashioned blender. That'll work, but I kind of like this thing. Okay, I like a little bit of cream added into mine. I'm going to do that now. That's maybe a 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup. There we go, nice and thick. Let's give it a taste. Well, the ham hock really shining through. Could use a little bit more salt. I wanted to go light on the salt to begin with because the ham hock is going to have some salt in it too. So, a lot more pepper. Oh, almost forgot something. What's split pea soup without some ham? So I've got this nice little bowl here. There we go. Nice and thick. Just the way I like my split pea soup. Let's see. Nice little crostini would be good. Oh, a little dollop of creme fraiche would be nice. You know, hold on a second. I'm thinking some beautifully seared scallops would be nice too with this. There we go. I'm Chef Terry. Now I've got something to warm up by. I'll see you next week.